Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. Today's gift comes in our pink bag. You guys know I like pink, clearly. Pink is one of my favorite colors. The pink polka dot bag. And the clue on this one says, inspiration finds you when you least expect it. And so, this one's fun. I think we'll kind of see inspiration finds you when you least expect it. So I'm feeling like this has to do with something inspiration, something with creativity, something with helping us be inspired to make more projects. So it has absolutely no flexibility, guys. It makes no sound when shaken. It actually kind of feels like there's a box maybe inside of here with cards. I don't know. All right, so let's go ahead and check and see what's inside. And what do we have? So we have the Quilter's Inspiration Deck. 100 cards to unleash your creativity. And so, guys, here at Cotton Cuts, we love inspiring you guys to do your own thing, to make your own projects, to take the pieces that we're able to give you and create your own thing. Creators versus makers. We like makers. We love makers as well. But we also like creators. And we like giving you guys things that make you make more than you thought you could make, or giving you fabrics that are going to challenge you to go outside your comfort zone. And so in this deck, it is there's different elements, different challenge prompts. So some are going to be color based, some are going to be shape based, and the idea is to just grab it and see what the inspiration takes you. This is if you're feeling like you're in a rut, if you feel like you lost your sojo, if you feel like you've gotten to the point where you're starting to do the same thing over and over and over again, and you want just that little catalyst, just that little kick to help get you out of your rut, this is a fantastic way to just randomly pick some inspiration and see where it takes you. And I love that on the back, when we did this, it has a block, a quilt pattern, color theory, fabric choice, a layout, a mood. I like the idea of a mood. Like if I draw a mood, like I'm going to sew in that mood. A number, a color, an element, or design. So there's lots of different factors. We've seen a lot of the inspiration decks that are pretty like, hey, here's a block. Hey, here's a block. Hey, here's a block. We liked that this had lots of different factors in it, lots of different elements for inspiration. And so we hope that you guys put this to good use next year as you're going along your quilting. Perhaps you're making a quilt for someone and all they said, the dreaded, will you make me a quilt? And they don't give you colors or palettes. Perhaps this can help you get to that answer faster and in a way in which you don't feel a lot of guilt because the cards did the talking for you. All right, so that's awesome. We love it and we hope it inspires you as well. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.